Which of the following modification of the simple ideal Rankine cycle increases the, underline this, it increases thermal efficiency and reduces the moisture content of the steam at the turbine outlet. Okay, moisture content decrease means dryness fraction is increasing. So here what is the condition? First condition is efficiency should increase and then dryness fraction should also increase. That means moisture content also increase. Okay, so A, B, C, D are given. In the A, they are saying that by increasing the boiler pressure, this condition will be achieved. B is saying that by increasing the temperature at the turbine inlet, that is nothing but the Tmax. Okay, turbine inlet, they are saying that this can be achieved. Or C is by reducing the condenser pressure we can achieve this condition. Next one is by reducing the boiler pressure we can achieve this condition. Okay, so how to decide this? We will see quickly with a diagram so that it will be very easy. See here, we already know that in all these three conditions, what happened? The mu increases. In all these three conditions, mu increases, but when you decrease the pressure in the boiler, the mu will not increase. So this we can remove. And here we also know that whenever the pressure is increased, what happened? The X decreases. Okay. Whenever pressure increases, the X decreases, and whenever the pressure decreases in the condenser, again here also X decreases. Okay, so the only option available is this B. Okay, option is B. That is how we need to see in the examination by remembering from the theory whatever discussed. But anyway, we will discuss again each and everything. So what is the first case? By increasing the boiler pressure. Okay, so see, by increasing the boiler pressure, what is happening? See, initially, let's assume this is the what is that? Initially this is the 1, 2, 3 and then 4. This is the first one. After that I increase the pressure. When I increase the pressure, okay, then what happened? It is coming here. So 2 dash. Okay, when I increase the pressure, this is what happening. So what is happening here? X2 is less than the X2 dash. Okay, that means moisture content is increasing, but whereas the efficiency is increasing. So here in this case, what is happening? Mu is increasing, but whereas X is decreasing. Okay, this is not our option. So coming to the B, what is the B? I will increase the temperature. Okay, inlet temperature. So here, what is the inlet temperature? Turbine inlet temperature. So initially I will take this. Okay, this process. Initially I will take the this process. So see, this is the process. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what is they are saying? I will increase the T1. If I increase the T1, what is happening? So when I increase the T1, then see, let's assume I increase little bit like this up to this point, superheat. Then what happened? This is the new point. Okay, initially this is the point 2 and the new point is 2 dash. Then what happened here? X2 is less than the X2 dash. That means here X is increasing. And what's about efficiency? Of course, the W and as well as the mean addition is increasing. Okay, Tm at mean addition is increasing, so mu is increasing here. I am not explaining how the Tm is increasing. Okay, at Q1, because we have already seen many cases. Okay, that is why I am skipping directly here. And what is the C here? C is even if you don't know how efficiency increasing, by knowing the X value you can now find out the answer for this. Here condenser pressure is decreasing. Whenever the condenser pressure is decreasing, then what is happening? See, initially this is the first one. Let's assume this is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then the pressure decreased. That means here it came up to this point. When it came up to this point, then what happened? Okay, efficiency increasing, mu is increasing. Why? Because the area under this increasing. Here also area under this increasing. Actually, it is cannot be taken like that. But mu is a function of the the rejection temperature and input temperature. So here temperature decreasing, so mu increases. But whereas this 2 dash. See, this is the critical point. From the critical point, if I draw the point like this, it is going like this. And if I draw one more point like this, is going like this. So which is having more dryness fraction, the point which is passing through the 2. So here that means x2 is greater than the x2 dash. That means here x is decreasing. Okay. So here what is happening? By decreasing the condenser pressure, efficiency increases, but whereas the moisture increases. Okay. And next one is D. In the D, what is happening? This is the see, let's assume this is the first case. This is the first case here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first case. Okay. So now I will decrease the boiler temperature. So the boiler temperature will be like this. Okay. When boiler temperature is like this, then what is happening? This is a 2 dash, and here in this case, what is happening? The efficiency decreasing. Why? Because this area is decreasing and mean temperature at heat addition also decreasing. But whereas here x2 is less than the x2 dash, that means x is increasing. Here in this case, what is happening? X is increasing, but whereas efficiency decreasing. Okay, but whereas efficiency decreasing. But what is the condition? Efficiency and as well as the x both should increase. Okay, so which one is matching here? Out of all these, B is matching here. Okay, so what is our option? Our option is B here. See, in the examination, I think it came in 2019. So in the examination, okay, you don't have this much time to go through everything and to do this much research to understand everything. So you should have enough practice before going to exam, so that immediately looking at this in your mind itself, you think and then write that. These type of questions will save time for you to attack very big numericals. Okay.